Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy tablets for various reasons such as multimedia consumption, taking notes on their tablets, PDF reading and other productive tasks. So in this video I will talk about the best tablets that you can buy under rupees 40,000 and 50,000 during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. If your budget is above 50,000, I would suggest you to go for laptops other than tablets, because in laptops you can do more productive tasks than tablets. So still, if you want to buy tablets under 50,000 or above 50,000, then this video is going to help you. The first tablet that you can buy under rupees 40,000 is Oneplus Pad 2. Actually, Oneplus Pad 2 has been launched recently and it has some good specs. It comes with a very good display, though it is not an AMOLED display, yet the display resolution and the display quality is excellent. Moreover, you will get Snapdragon Gen 3 processor, 8 Gen 3 processor, so you don't have to worry about the performance of this tablet. Actually, this is the best tablet right now in the Android world under this price bracket. So if you want to buy this tablet during Big Billion Days sale, you may have to pay around 30,000 rupees for the 128 GB version using credit cards, and if you want to go for the higher 12 to 56 GB version, in that case you have to pay around 35 to 36,000 rupees using credit cards and all the offers. The next tablet that you can buy is iPad Air 5th generation that comes with M1 chipset. It comes with 10.9 inches Retina display and the display quality is excellent, plus it has M1 chipset inside it, so it will be very powerful. It can handle any task you throw at it. During Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale, you can buy this device at around 40 to 42,000 rupees after all the cashbacks and discounts. The third tablet that you can buy under rupees 50,000 during Big Billion Days sale is iPad Air M2. It comes with 64 GB of internal storage and M2 chipset, so it will be a very powerful tablet. If you want to buy this tablet, you can definitely buy under rupees 50,000. On the other hand, if you want to buy Samsung tablets, you can get Samsung Galaxy S9, but the price will be little bit higher. Above 50,000 rupees you can buy this tablet. So if you want to buy Samsung tablets, you have to pay above 50,000 rupees for S9. S9 also comes with a very powerful chipset, that is 8 Gen 2. So these are the tablets that actually you can buy during Big Billion Days sale at a very cheaper price. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are looking to buy any other tablet during Big Billion Days sale, and feel free to ask me if you have any questions. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.